You know that feeling when just bending over seems to be the hardest thing in the world? I've heard that for some of us, even bending over to wash the dishes can hurt us. Fret not, for we shall look at how we can help you today. Hi, I'm Val, and today we're going to be talking about bending over. Such a simple movement, and yet it comes with so much torture. So let's address this issue today. We have Perlin again here today to help us with this particular issue.
Hey Val, I heard you've been having issues bending over, so one of the reasons could be a weaker core. So today I'll be showing you some movements to actually help strengthen your core muscles. You are going to take a seat on a chair. Keeping your core engaged, you are going to twist your upper body side to side. This movement works on your core muscle. Don't forget to breathe. If that is manageable for you, you can add a light weight to the movement. Hold the weight in your hand and twist your upper body side to side. If you can't find a weight, you can also use a water bottle.
That exercise, if you do it right, you really feel the pinching action, and I know it's really working, and who knows, I may have a smaller waist at the end of the day. So that's all we have for you today, but do check out our other episodes for a complete workout and some fresh ideas. This is Val from SilverStreak, signing out.